How smart people make tons of money from YouTube. Sometime in the year 2014, my company created a video product which people were paying for and were looking for a platform to put those videos. After a little research, we discovered that we could post those videos on YouTube and use the privacy setting to keep it a secret video while we simply send a link to anyone who pays for them. That was what we did. However, in order to promote those courses, aside from using our existing blog, we decided to post about 3 short videos on YouTube. And what I did was to forget that, because I never expected anyone to watch those videos. I was wrong. Just a few months after we posted the videos, we started receiving calls from people who wanted our products after watching the horrible and badly produced videos we posted on YouTube. I came to the platform, YouTube, to check the videos, and wow, these videos have gotten many views and they are making us money. What a miracle! Sometime after that time, I researched and discovered that YouTube is the second most popular website in my country. What? Are people actually watching a lot of videos on YouTube? Then I remembered what my business teachers once taught me, that anywhere people go, money is there. Now, my concern is no longer whether or not there is money on YouTube. Of course, my company has accidentally started making money by selling our products on YouTube. And now I got to see that almost everyone who uses the internet uses the YouTube. The next question is, okay, how can I make more money on YouTube? And that question is for you if you are not lucky to make accidental money like my company. How can I start making money on YouTube? That's what I'll show you in this video. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Now, I need to remind you of the title of this video. It's How Smart People Make Money on YouTube. That title is intentional because I honestly believe that only smart people can make a lot of money either on YouTube or anywhere else. Since you clicked this video because you're smart, let me start this way. First, you have to understand that there's only one way to make money anywhere in the world, and that's by helping someone else solve his problem. Outside this, there's no other legitimate way to make a lot of money. Since we've understood that, let's go into the problems the YouTubers are solving. First, some of us create products that solve important problems for some people. For example, as at the time of making this video, my company is making more money from selling our products on YouTube than we are making from the YouTube ads. Yes, I get it. The easiest and the most popular way people make money on YouTube is through the Google ads. And that's completely fine. But that's not the only way. In fact, there are probably tens of other ways depending on who you are and what your strengths are. For us, we have an agric technology company and we make some videos about our products and services. So it happens that whenever people search the YouTube or Google, our videos are usually within number 1 to 5. And when people click to watch, some of them will love us as some will hate us. That's inevitable here on YouTube and in life as a whole. No matter how honest you are, no matter how much you try, not everyone will like you. But the haters don't matter to us since our lovers pay us money. Essentially, those who have interest and love the products of our company can look below the video and see a link to our website where they can read details about our products and services and then pay if they wish or call our office. Through this model, we've made a significant amount of money without doing anything other than to make some videos and publish them. For this, if you see the YouTube CEO, please thank her on our behalf. Now, while this is a little complex for many people, there's a simple way, and that's the ads. With the ads, you essentially don't have to do anything except to make videos. Yes, a lot of people complain about the YouTube policies. They complain that it's hard to qualify for the partnership program, which allows you to make money because you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. In my opinion, these people who complain are not serious. If you are among them, please forgive me for telling you the truth. Now here's the thing. Who in the world starts a business and starts making profit the same day? If you've been an entrepreneur before you joined YouTube, you won't be among those who make excuses and complain about the fact that you may have to wait 6 to 12 months before you'll be qualified to make money on YouTube. If you think it's not easy, I wonder why you think it should be easy. Even though there are other ways you can start making money almost immediately, like selling your own product as my company does, most people are not qualified to do that because they don't have anything they are selling, and that's fine as long as you don't complain. This is the mindset smart people use to make a lot of money on YouTube. It's a business. Don't see it as YouTube. See it as a business. If you do see it as a business, you know that you need to work for free for a number of months. Now, since you've understood that, let's go into another important point. You have to be resourceful to make money on YouTube. Another big problem most people have on YouTube is that they are not resourceful. They really don't have anything in their brain that the world needs, so they can't convince enough people to watch their videos. You have to have something inside your brain that the world needs. Are you funny? Most of us are not, so we would like to watch your videos so that we can relax and we laugh. Do you know English very well? Someone like me and millions others whom English isn't their primary language may like your channel. Are you a minimalist? Some of us are materialistic and we don't like it. We would like to watch your videos as you take us through your extremely simplified life so that we can learn from you and improve our life. Are you an entrepreneur like me? Millions of people want to learn how to start and run a business. Such people would like to watch your videos every week. Are you an activist who thinks something needs to be corrected in the society? Are you a fashion enthusiast? Are you a public speaking expert? Are you married and have a great relationship? Are you a single mother? Who are you? What can you teach the world? If you can't answer these questions, then you will be among those who complain that YouTube is difficult. However, if you are resourceful, if you have done something, going through a situation, or have gone through a situation that others are going through, then a good number of people need your experience and wisdom. And if you are willing to share them with us, we would love you and subscribe to your channel. We'll watch your videos as long as they are interesting. We don't care that you are making money from your videos as long as you serve us. Now, it won't happen fast. You may have to invest many months, but you can end up making tens of thousands of dollars on YouTube. In summary, YouTube is a blessing to the world if you're smart enough to understand how it works. Some of the important things are what we've discussed in this video. Maybe I'll make one more video to explain a few other things. But for now, we are working on a comprehensive course that will show you a lot of secrets and details about how you make money from YouTube. When this course is ready, we'll add the link to the description box of this video. So please check the description box now to see if it's ready. Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.